Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select lock screen and password. And now you've got add a fingerprint, so just click on it. But first of all you have to add some backup to this, so it can be pattern, PIN code or the password. So let me pick for example the pattern. Not now, so let me pick one more time. Remember, you just read the notification, remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device including photos and contacts and then set a new one. Okay, thank you Xiaomi for notification, we've got it. And now let me draw the pattern. Let me draw it one more time to confirm and tap on confirm. And now you have to turn your device around and place your finger on this sensor. So as you can see, just keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully detected. So as you can see, I'm keeping tapping. And as you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully added. You can change the name of your fingerprint. Let me name it Helen, as my name is. And then tap on next. And tap on done. And as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your screen just with the finger over here. As you can see, let me do it one more time. And that's it. So you can easily set up your fingerprint now. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.